Hello and welcome to Zimstech Media. In some latest developments, Zimbabwe's Vice President Dr. Constantino Chiwenga presided over Brigadier Retired General Matthias Tizirai Ngarava's burial at the Harare National Heroes Acre. He called for ethical leadership and clean governance to fight poverty and corruption. Chiwenga questioned whether current leaders are building a legacy of sacrifice and national purpose or one of plunder, tying the message to Zimbabwe's goals under the incoming National Development Strategy 2. Ngarava, who joined the Liberation War after Form 2 and rose to Brigadier General, was declared a national hero by Mnangagwa after dying on December 25, 2025.
The liberation struggle was not waged so that a few could prosper while many remain in abject poverty. It was fought so that every Zimbabwean could walk in dignity and economically empowered. Our duty is not merely honor everyone. It is to implement their vision through ethical leadership, clean governance, unity of purpose, and economic transformation.
For more stories, please do like and subscribe.